So this is going to be an unboxing video of the DeWalt FLEXVOLT weed eater. It is the one that comes with the fast charger and the 9Ah FLEXVOLT battery. And here is the model number. DCST972X1. I got it at Home Depot and it was $2.99. I got it on Father's Day. And this is actually my second one. The first one I had, I bought it a few days ago, put it together, and for some reason when I pulled the trigger, the head seized up in the shaft. Why, I don't know, but I could not get it undone. So I took it back and exchanged it for a brand new one. And so we're gonna hope that that does not happen again. But just in case it does, I'm gonna get it on video this time, just to show you what's going on. So, but anyway, let's get to unboxing. And it's got a little bit of tape here. And a little bit of tape over here. And I'm doing this on my couch. My wife's liable to kill me if she walks in here and sees this, but that's okay. Probably be easier if I turn it upside down like this. And sorry, I don't have a tripod to put the video on, so if it's making you dizzy, I apologize. And there she is. So this is what seized up on the first one. Like this head right here, I don't know, it just spun up inside the gap of that shaft right there. And I mean, it seized up completely and I could not get it undone no matter what I did. Here is the charger, the DCB115. And the accessories. And of course, here is the weed eater motor, brushless, 60 volt. And you can do other attachments and stuff on it. And for the prized possession right there, 9Ah FLEXVOLT. This is going to be a beast of a battery. I just wonder if it shipped with any power. Yep, we got one right. Awesome. So, for any of you who have had trouble putting this thing together, you'll notice that the shafts right here are the same size. Of course, there's a cap right there that comes off, so let me pull that off. I don't know if I can get it off. Hang on. All right, so I got that off. And I had the weirdest time trying to put this together on the first one because they're the exact same size. But what it is, a little trick, this little dude right here, piece of plastic comes right out, and then you can slide just like that, and you just line up the arrows. Turn it where the arrows are lined up, just like that, and push that little deal in. There we go. Sorry, it's hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. I'm gonna have to set it down. Hold on, I got it lined up a little bit better. There we go, it's locked into place. And then we can just tighten this little bolt right here up, this little wing bolt. And yes, I slammed my thumb in a car door and it's still black, and it sucked really, really bad for those who are curious. And I'm going to unpack the goodie bag. I'm going to set the camera down to do that. All right. And what we have in here is the guard and the handle. Very comfortable, by the way. Love it. Instruction manual. Ain't even worth burning. And a little toolkit and a couple of bolts. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is take your little silver toolkit right there, this little Allen wrench, and you're going to undo the 4 bolts right here on the handle. And I'm going to turn off the video for just a second and do that. So, those are the 4 bolts that come out of this thing right here. And then all you have to do is just pops right off. Just like that. And it'll go just put it on here where the little no handle is, just like that. With the handle facing that way, you'll know it when you see it. And you just put that in this little piece right here, back up underneath there to go around the shaft. And sorry, it's difficult to do this and hold the phone at the same time. There we go. It just snaps in place. Just kind of scoot it where you want it. And just take your 4 bolts with the washers on them, stick them down in there. And I apologize, this video is very low quality. It's just, I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time. Okay, I'm going to take my Allen key and just tighten these hand tight. I'm going to do that. Okay. And once you get those bolts bolted into there, that holds this nice and steady. And then in your little goodie bag, you're going to find 2 more bolts and washers. And they go down here to hook up your guard, which is right here. And before you do that, you can adjust right there if you want it to be the 15-inch, I believe, or the 17-inch. It comes 17 by default, I think. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Just need to line up those holes just like that. And just take your 2 bolts and spin it just a little bit to start it. And this one here. I don't think that one's in there. Let me see. There we go. And this one. And we'll have our Allen key and just hand tighten it. Just give it a little bit of oomph, but not over tighten. And it is fully assembled. And then there's a little bit of tape around the string here. Let's see if we can pull that off. And of course it tears. There we go. And that is off. And now the battery. I'm gonna keep from knocking it off the couch. It chips with this little red guard on here. We're just gonna peel that off. And this, I guess, turns it into 3 batteries, I guess is what I heard. And we'll stick it on the weed eater. Move it. I'm gonna see if it works. That's on the low speed. Switch it to high. Well, it didn't seize up like the first one, so that's good news. So I would say this thing is a monster and I can't wait to use it. Thank you for watching.